Subscribe to Bookworm
and press the bell icon.
Watch various interesting educational videos. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Bookworm. I am Rumela Ghosh and I hope you all are enjoying our videos as well as sharing it with your friends. Today I am back again with another useful video. Today I am going to talk about how to use MS Paint. Please watch the video till the end to know every detail. So let us begin. MS Paint. What is MS Paint? Microsoft Paint or MS Paint is a basic graphics or painting utility that is included in all Microsoft Windows versions. The various uses of Microsoft Paint are: it can be used to draw, color and edit pictures. There are various features like pencil, brush, etc. You can also add text, lines and shapes. It also includes eraser, magnifier and fill color tools. It can save the files in standard formats such as .jpg and .bmp. So basically MS Paint is nothing but enjoying our painting work in computer. The tools which we use in real life are all given in MS Paint toolbar. It is very useful applications for children as they all enjoy painting very much. So let me teach how to use paint and the various uses of the tools. So this is the MS Paint window or MS Paint page. In the above portion, as you all can see, this is the toolbox. You can see various tools and various options out here. So let me give you every detail of the options nicely. So the first option we have is pencil. You use it to draw anything on your own using the mouse. Like I am drawing a smiley face. See, it's simple as that, just like drawing it in your drawing copy. Exactly same. Our second option is eraser. You can use the eraser to erase anything you want on this page. Like see, I'm erasing this extra line over here. Okay, and you can increase the size of the eraser by pressing Ctrl and plus, and you can decrease the size of the eraser by pressing Ctrl and minus, and you can clean everything you want. Okay, see, I've cleaned everything that I've drawn. The third option is fill with color. This option is used to fill color, any color from this box in the blank page. Like I've chosen this option, I'm picking the pink color and I'm clicking it here. See, it's pink in color now. Or I'm picking yellow from here and clicking it here. It's yellow now. We are using the left mouse button to press it. Okay. The fourth option is pick color. Like I'm picking the color, selecting the here circle. See, it's yellow, you can't see, so I'm picking the white color from here. White, see, white, and you can fill it with red. See, you fill it with red color. Oh sorry, white, it's chosen white here, so it's white, red. Now when you're picking color option, you're picking the red color and selecting the circle. See, your circle will be in red in color. Understood? It's easy. The fifth option is text. Used to write anything on the page. We click on the option and drag it in the space using the left mouse button. And see, you form a box here and you can write anything here. Like I am writing my name here. You can change the style from here. See, can choose anything, like you see, or the font size or the color. See, understood? You can, this box can be transparent like it is here now, or it can be opaque like this. The color chosen here, it can be white, or if you choose to be yellow like this, you can do that. It can be anything. You can write anything, you can edit anything, you can change the size, style, everything. Next option is magnifying. Sixth option, that is magnifier. We click on the option and drag it in the space. We use it to zoom in or zoom out of the picture. When we click on the left mouse button, it zooms in, and when we click on the right mouse button, it zooms out. Like see, I am clicking on the left mouse button, it is zooming in, and when I am clicking on the right mouse button, it is zooming out. See, understood? It's as easy as that. Okay, so we are coming to the brushes, this option, and this brush option contains various sub options. Like see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 options here. Let us see all the options. Okay, let me first choose a nice color over this yellow. Okay, we are choosing blue. Okay, see, we are choosing the brush now. Choosing the first brush, that is, it is a normal brush. See, normal brush, and it is of this size. The next brush is calligraphy brush. See, calligraphy brush. The third brush is, this is also a calligraphy brush, type 2. Okay, let me change the color. I am choosing violet now. The fifth option is airbrush. This airbrush option. Okay, we are airbrushing here. Then fifth option here is oil brush. See, we are drawing oil brush. The sixth option is crayon. Yeah, it's looking like something like crayon only. The next option, that is the seventh option, is marker. Okay, let me change it to red now. See, oh, it doesn't change. Okay, it's marker. See, okay. The eighth option is pencil. Here I will without using a pencil now. And last type of brush is watercolor brush. See, watercolor brush. As simple as that. Here I am selecting circle and then choosing black and then yellow. And then see, it's done. I'm taking square, done. See, like this. It's easy. So the next thing is outline. There are various options here. There is no outline. Like see, no outline, only the yellow it's showing. Then solid color, two colors are showing. Then crayon, see, crayon. Then marker, see, marker. Then oil, see, oil. Now natural pencil. Then watercolor. Okay, this is the usage of outline option. The different textures and different types of outlines we can do in our MS Paint. The next option is fill. It's the same thing. The filling we are doing here, the color various types and various options, we get to feel it. Like no feel, see, no feel, no color, solid color, solid color, then crayon, 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 marker, see, marker, marker, oil, see, oil, natural pencil, natural pencil, and then watercolor, see. Next is the size toolbar. This option is used to choose the desired size of the outline and then the color box. This size option, you can choose various sizes like the thin one or the most broadest one, anything. And this is the color box. You can see various colors out here. You can choose any color you like to do your work, to fill anything you want. So that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed my video. Please like and share the video. If you have any queries, please hit the comment section. Thank you.